Hey everyone, welcome back into Monday Night Weather. Mike Schultz with you once again. Hope you had yourself a good weekend. We did get the snow we were talking about last week. Expected a little bit of light dusting, and we got just exactly that. Looks like a little bit more possibility of snow tomorrow night. We'll talk about that just a bit. In fact, what we're going to be talking about tonight, flurries off and on throughout the night, and then again tomorrow, there is a chance of some actual snow tomorrow night. We might even measure it about an inch or so at the most. And then temperatures the rest of the week will be cool, but not cold for this time of year, so that's pretty good. Numbers out at the airport right now, 18 degrees. That's our high for the day. The low last night, 9. The record high, 46. That was in 1926. The record low, 43 below in 1964. And your sunrise and sunset, 11 hours and 40 minutes of daylight. That is a gain of 7 more minutes from yesterday. I wonder how many folks forgot to set their clock ahead Saturday night when they went to bed. And on our satellite and radar, you can see a lot more energy moving across southeast Alaska. And little pockets of moisture here and there, even some in the interior, but nothing really heavy and nothing really organized either. On the big picture, again, over southeast Alaska, the rain is falling at Ketchikan and at Juneau, 44 degrees for both those areas. Over around the Anchorage Bowl, close to 40 degrees, 39. And some showers in the Kodiak region once again. Along the Aleutian Chain, Cold Bay, 36, partly cloudy skies. Not too bad up and down the west coast, a little cool, 20 degrees at Bethel and cooler at Nome, 13 there. And Barrow at 5 degrees below zero, while Fort Yukon checked in today with a high of only 9 degrees above. Lower 48 weather, more energy moving across from the west to the east across the Pacific. Look at the little speckles there. That's cold air moving across the warmer waters of the Pacific Ocean, so they're getting a lot of shower activity, and some of it moving down over California. That is also transitioning across the Central Plains, so could be kicking up its heels in the next couple of days with more vigorous thunderstorm activity across the Central Plains. Over the eastern half of the country, a little bit of activity across the Ohio Valley moving over to the northeast, but nothing really heavy. Now over the northwest and the western half of the country, you can see lots of mixed rain and snow at the higher elevations and rain up and down the west coast. Well, why? Well, because the jet stream, once again, is doing some weird things, going way up to the north over Canada, taking a big dive down to over the south, and that is helping to transport that cold air and probably helping to develop what is going to be probably a major storm system that'll bring severe weather to the Central Plains over the next couple of days. Hey, time for our weather fact for tonight. And in 1989, Horsetooth Heights, Colorado, the winds gusted to over 120 miles per hour, sending blowing dust as far east as parts of Kansas. And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather, which will be back next week. In fact, next week we'll be visiting with the kids from Northern Lights Academy. All right, here's your forecasts for tomorrow. For the northern sections of Alaska, partly cloudy skies for Barrow. Sunny skies for Nome, but up to an inch of possibly some light snow in the Fort Yukon area, only 12 degrees for the high there. Here in the interior, we'll have snow showers becoming light snow region-wide by tomorrow night, and temperatures once again in the low 20s, even cooler around the Healy area. Over southeast Alaska, rain and snow showers expected at Juneau, scattered showers for Ketchikan, and temperatures again in the mid to upper 40s, while out to the southwest part of the state, partly cloudy skies at Cold Bay, sunny skies in Bethel, and rain and snow for Kodiak. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, it looks like mostly cloudy skies in Anchorage, cloudy skies for Homer, with rain and snow at Valdez. And our forecast for the remainder of the night looks like this. Again, cloudy skies, some scattered snow showers, 4 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, snow showers increasing throughout the day, becoming light snow by tomorrow night, maybe an inch or so accumulation, 24 degrees for the high. And the extended forecast, as you see here, temperatures cooling off for Thursday and Friday, then slowly working their way back up again for Saturday and Sunday. Overnight lows will also be cooling down a little bit, -5, then working their way back up to about 5 degrees. Our photograph for tonight, this one sent in by William Blizzard. I always call him Bill Blizzard. What a great name for a weatherman, too. Anyway, he sent us a photo of a bird and an owl sharing the same branch. And as always, if you have a photograph, send it to photos@ktbf11.com.
And a quick correction. Kaylee Falks of North Pole, she got gold at AWG. I said Dana Falks. That's her mom's name. Her mom was sending me information as her daughter was doing well. So just want to correct that. So.
Okay, very good.
Mom's pretty athletic too, probably.
Yeah.
Robinson.
Okay, that'll wrap up this edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. We are glad you could join us.
Tonight at NBC Nightly News, millions of people are bracing for more flooding across the waterlogged South. That's up next with Lester Holt.
You can join us here 6 days a week at 6 and 11 or online anytime at webcenter11.com.
From all of us here at the News Center, have an awesome night.
Awesome, awesome.